Here we are again. Are you ready? Are you ready? Not for your haircut. Remember what you have to do? You have to go out there. You gotta go out there and you gotta go potty. Come on, you can't hold it. Just go, move it outside. I gotta get all those books gone. Gotta go through lots of things. Go on, come on, you can do it. Come on. Ringo, this is not funny. You have to go out and go potty. Ringo. All right. Well, it's supposed to be 70 degrees later this week. And I hope to God this is the end of this. I've had enough. That house is for sale next door. For anyone who's interested. It's pretty cute. It's really cute, and it's got solar panels and a fence and garage and porch. It's cute.